Hey guys, I'm Arya from Blink, and in this video I'll show you how to add user login to your Blink app. For this video, we are going to be using the AI Data Insights platform that we built on Blink. It's an AI tool that finds insights from raw data that you provide. Let's add user login to this. Now the fancy word for user login is Auth or authentication, but simply it means letting users create an account and login. When you try to log into tools and websites on the internet, you must have seen sign up and login pages like this, where you can sign in with Google, Apple, Microsoft, GitHub, or simply email and password. That is exactly what we are going to set up today, and we are going to use Blink Auth for that. Alright, now let's understand user login or auth in the context of our AI Data Insights platform. Right now, all users see the same website and use it, and everyone can see each other's data. That is not ideal, and we don't want users to be able to see each other's data. We're going to fix that with user login. Once user login is implemented, each user goes through the login or sign up process and they get their own workspace. This allows them to upload their own data and come back later to their saved insights. No user can see each other's data and it is personal to them. Okay, now let's add user login to our app on Blink. On the top, click on Dashboard and navigate to the Authentication tab. Here you will be able to see all the sign-in providers available to you. You can toggle on and off the providers you want, and we already have all of them toggled on. So now let's just prompt the agent to build the system for us. I am going to use a simple prompt here. Add user login with sign up and sign in using Google, Microsoft, Apple, GitHub, and email password. Design a beautiful login page for it. Users should be able to see their saved projects under My Projects under the prompt box. Alright, Blink has now implemented user login and the My Project section. You need to sign in to see your saved project, so let's sign in and see how the login page looks like. So this is the beautiful login page that Blink has designed for us. You can see there's Google, Microsoft, Apple, and GitHub sign in. You can alternatively use email and password and use that to sign in as well. Let's sign in with Google. Click on continue with Google, and this is now signing us in. And right now we are signed in, and you can see there's a beautiful account section with My Project and an option to sign out, and user login works perfectly. Once you set up user login through Blink, Blink also wires up your user login system with your database, so you do not need to handle that separately. If you go to the database tab here, you will see that a new table has been created for users where you can see the users who are logging in. You will also now see a projects table which will store the specific project specific to a particular user. And you will also see other tables like email verification token, magic link tokens, and password reset tokens, which will be used for email verification and password reset. So now my AI Data Insights platform is no longer just a demo. Users can log in, upload data, generate insights, save their work, and come back anytime. And when you're done, let's follow the best practices. Just publish your app again so the new login experience goes live for all users. And that, my friends, is how you add user login to your Blink app. It's as easy as that.